Hey guys, in this video I want to break down what $1 million in Amazon sales may look like. There are a bunch of little details in here that are important, so pay attention. The biggest thing I want to get across to you is that $1 million in sales on Amazon is an obtainable goal. It's a reasonable goal. It's not crazy. It's not it's not a pipe dream, pie in the sky. It's something that you can actually do. And the problem with people doing $1 million in sales is that a lot of people start off, for whatever reason, wanting to sell an inexpensive product. They somehow think that selling something for $5 or $6 or $10 or $12 is going to be easier, and it's going to be somehow safer for them if they're just starting off. And even if they're successful in selling those items, the problem is that you sell a bunch of items for $6 or $8 a piece and you haven't made any money. Yes, you've made profit, you've made hopefully the margin that you were hoping to make, but you have to sell a lot of pieces at, say, $12 for it to add up to any real significant amount of money. So people find that they're doing a lot of work, and at the end of the month or the end of the quarter or the end of the year, it just didn't add up to enough money to where they feel like they've accomplished anything. But let's talk about $1 million a year in Amazon sales. Okay? We all see the videos about a $10,000 a month product. I've made numerous videos about that myself. So if you have one product that you're listing and it's selling $10,000 a month, well, if you multiply that out, that's $120,000 a year. If you found that one product, and those products are not difficult to find, the marketplace on Amazon is so large that there are thousands and thousands and thousands of products that are potentially $10,000 per month products. So now you've found one of those products. You only need to have 8 of those in order to do $1 million a year in sales on Amazon. So what you've already accomplished, what you've found one time, you now need to find 7 additional times. You need 8 products that do $10,000 a month. And in the course of a year, you will have hit your $1 million per year mark. You know, I don't want to oversimplify it, but it is pretty simple. A lot of times people think that they need 50 products on Amazon or 100 products, and you really don't. You need 8 good products that perform well. Now, if you've been watching my videos, you know in other videos I talk about the fact that at any given time I only have 10 or 12 products on Amazon. Now, I will add in a couple of products that are seasonal for Halloween and for Thanksgiving and for Christmas. And occasionally I will add in a couple of products in the springtime that deal usually with outdoor activities of one type or another, summer activities, things of that nature. But I have typically about 10 products on Amazon that are evergreen products. These are things that you need in your life every day. You need them over and over. Everybody needs them. And those products perform consistently. Let's say you've found this product that's a $10,000 a month product, and it's doing $10,000 in sales in March and April and May. you don't really know what that product will do total until you've been through fourth quarter on Amazon. Amazon's fourth quarter is crazy. So this product that has been consistently giving you about $10,000 a month in sales, all of a sudden in October, November, and December, it may do $25,000 or $30,000 a month. So your product may be much stronger than you even realize. I always tell my students that you don't know what a product will do, you don't know what your sales will do until you've been through fourth quarter. You need to see an entire year, and fourth quarter is just huge. Just off the top of my head, I would say something like 40%, 45% of my non-seasonal sales came during fourth quarter last year. And that's pretty consistent, I think, from year to year. And again, that does not include the products I added in just specifically for Christmas. So even the evergreen products, and that's what we're talking about here, but my evergreen products also see a dramatic increase in sales during fourth quarter. So anyway, I'll leave it there, but the takeaway here is that, even if you have a product that doesn't look like it's going to give you that $100,000 a year in sales that you need, until you see what it does during fourth quarter, you really don't know how successful that individual product may be. And then the other takeaway is that you only need 8 or 9 successful products that sell consistently to hit your $1 million a year mark on Amazon. And just to remind you, that $1 million a year in gross sales should generate something in the neighborhood of, let's say, $300,000 in pre-tax profit for you. So $1 million is a very obtainable goal on Amazon, and the revenue, the income you'll derive from that is huge. It's significant. $300,000 a year in profits is tremendous for almost anyone. Life-changing. So discouraged. If you're selling something on Amazon, look at what it is you're selling. $10,000 a month of a $50 product, it's only 200 sales per month, which is 6 per day. That's doable. To sell $10,000 a month of a $12 product is hundreds of sales per day. That's much, much more difficult. And you need to think about your product selection. You need to think about your pricing. The money is in the higher end products. So just keep all these different points in mind. But the takeaway here is that you can do $1 million in sales. It's not hard. Break it down into individual small bites that you can handle, and just build your portfolio of products on Amazon. And it won't take long, people. You can easily do $1 million in sales. Thanks for watching. So take a look at those, hit the like and subscribe, and we'll see you soon.